fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth.
As part of a Kriya class, our grade 6 students stepped into the amphitheater to bring the solar system to life. After practicing together in class, they mapped out orbits by hand, took on the roles of different planets, and began moving around the sun.
I am Sun, center of the solar system. Welcome first planet.
I am the first planet of the solar system.
I am not a star. My name is Venus.
I am the third planet of the solar system. I revolve around the sun.
In this Beyond the Lab episode, our students study the solar system outside of their classrooms. The students had fun rehearsing, collaborating, and finally performing the activity outdoors.